How to remove password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Face ID and passcode. For security purposes, you will be required to enter your device passcode to proceed. Once you are on the Face ID and passcode screen, you will see various options for controlling how the feature is used and manage all your passcode settings. Now, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and tap on Turn Passcode Off. A pop-up will then appear. Go ahead and tap on Turn Off. You will then be required to enter your passcode one last time to confirm this change. As you can see, you have now successfully turned off your passcode. Following these steps, you can easily remove the password on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.